Yes, hi again. So we are in one of our last presentations. So how to contribute, right? So our main mission is really make open source rock, and we are trying that, and I believe we have been doing so. But we are always eager to improve. And the first step on how to improve that is how to be more welcome to external people, to contributors that want to start. So there is a couple of, I have this cheat sheet here, so even later can be used for, reference. So we don't need to go through all of it, but main repository, we have very cool SDK examples. Yes, 2 days ago we did some very cool workshop here where people were very enthusiastic about it, how to embed Collabora Online using different type of frameworks, different type of languages. So I encourage you to not only go there, but why not collaborate with your own minimal SDK example. Community websites, and then we have a guide how to become a contributor. But this is not just about code. We love Weblate. I believe Weblate guys love us. So we use Weblate to translate all our strings. We are becoming better at it by adding additional context via screenshots, so translators know the context of it. Yeah, because there is certain words that are quite untranslatable from English to other, Portuguese, Spanish, and you really need the context to know which string you should, type in. Then our main repository, you will clone it, you will check the code, but really interesting is to check our community website. So you can access that by just go to it's a problem, sorry about that. So
Mikkel's fixing it.
Yeah.
Nearly done.
call.la/io or collaboraonline.github.io for short. And you will see all the steps how to build Collabora Online. But imagine that you want to contribute, but you don't have that much time, or you are on the go. No problem, we got you covered. You can just press this big button, open in Gitpod, right on GitHub, and not only you will have access to pre-ready development environment for you, but you will also have a VNC connection, so you can really see in the browser and test it. Not just coding. So the whole shebang can be there on the go. And there are people actually using that and contributing that. So it's good. And if you use VS Code, you can even then integrate it even better right with your local VS Code, even though everything else is on the cloud, on the Gitpod servers. Forum is also a place to don't miss, because we even have a category, what they call topic development, and we have very cool tips and tricks, FAQ, the whole thing here, how to do your first pull request. So it's good to check our forum. I already talked about our SDK examples. Also, cool thing to know is that when you run Collabora Online, you can actually access very easily this frame.doc.html, and you can start to play with the cool things that you can send to Collabora Online via post message. And then you can start to see more visually how these messages work and how to change Collabora Online within your integration. Yes, we intend to, as I said earlier, to expand more this test to the public sphere. We already did this, it went well, it could have been better, and the first step to improve is just to do it more. So that's what we intend to do. So keep an eye for that, for news on that. And that's it, just hack it, make it yours while contributing. Maybe there is something that it's not really a problem, but you just want to play with it. Feel free, do it, open a PR, start a discussion, you never know. These are examples of very cool people that just wanted to solve their own problem. So this fellow was using some afterlogic emails, I have no idea what is it, and he was being forced to use some third-party non-open source thing to view the attachments. Even though he's not a coder, just by looking at, that SDK minimal example repository, he was able to just create this PHP SDK example based on our, and bang, he is using Collabora Online as a viewer on his own case study. So that's amusing. Second, Paul, very cool guy, very friendly guy. He wanted to create some kind of generic way of lay down WOPI spec. He did that, and not only that, you can even check it how it works with that link. I believe it's still available. wopi-app.herokuapp.com. And while doing so, he started a discussion with Ash, and guess what? We spotted a bug which Ash solved. You see how everything is connected? Something that was just a playground, and suddenly it's already a fix. It's already, so it's cool to see all that gaining form, and not only gaining form in terms of improvements, but in wall of credits, people contributing left and right, be that via code or translations, or even other things around that support the new contributors, be that via community website or SDK examples. Thanks.